To make the trigger, you just take a pair of pliers, lineman pliers, a slotted screwdriver. This is 14 gauge wire. You can use electric fence wire or even a coat hanger for that matter. This is a 330 trigger brackets, and you've got a nut, or rather a bolt and a nut if we're going to put in there. To do it, you just put the two brackets together, slide the nut through the holes, start the nuts on the bolts. Okay, then you just take the wire and you make it longer than what you need to. Is what you want to do. If we were going to do a 12-inch trap, that would be long enough on one end, but we're going to make it for an 18-inch tall trap. You can always have it longer, you just don't want it shorter. Take this like this. You find the approximate middle, which is going to be right about there. Take the pliers and squeeze them, bend this to conform to that shape. Take the trigger bracket, come over like so. Tighten it down one side, then you tighten the other. Then I crisscross them to where they're even right here. One half turn, second half turn, a third half turn. Bring your trigger wires down. Trigger's made. Thank you.